you could cut it with a butter knife. So it's message on message, betting their presence like heaven, hoping that you feel the same. Strong 10, light 11, blessed my retina's getting excited to call you babe. But I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this on my chest, she been on my mind. I can get it right, I can get it right this time.
Gaya natin ngayong araw na to.
Tama lang dapat daw nakamas. Sabi niyo ba nakakain? Gusto ko dito. Butasan ko kaya po.
45 minutes to check everything. Yes. Yes po sa mga bago kong biyahe. 12 hours po tayo dito. And mamaya po, pag nasa na po tayo, Banawe, siguraduhin po natin may energy po tayo dahil may activity po tayo doon mamaya.
What's goody? I think you stole my heart, maybe you can steal my hoodie. Right from the start, I could tell that you're different. That's my perspective, my vision, the message is sent. You fell from heaven, but ain't got a dent. Triple that 7, I'm lucky to know you. You got me letting each one of my friends know about you. Looking fresh to death, but I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we can get it right, we can get it right this time. We can get it right, we can get it right this time. So yours, the ball is in your court, girl. For sure, you stole my heart for sure, and I need you. Yeah, and I need you. I need you. Looking fresh to death, but I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we can get it right, we can get it right this time. We can get it right, we can get it right this time. In the backyard of your old farm in the summer, stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
Cute.
May electric fan pala dito. Baka kailangan yun.
So cutie. Ang ganda ng room natin. Visit ka. Day 1.
Lalakad tayo. Ayun ang nandoon tayo. Tapos sabi ko, parang mas maganda yung bedroom dun sa floor lang ng ano.
Tapos meron palang tao sa likod mo.
I'm so tired. Could have been my world on fire. I'm a little delirious. I think we try again. I can't see where I'm going. I lost all my emotions. I feel the worst is here, stealing all my serotonin.
Hi dog!
Lost my mind with you. I know I don't feel the same. I'll never feel the same. 'Cause that was yesterday. I know I don't feel the same. I numbed it all away. I numbed it all I'm having nightmares while I sleep. How could I ever let you in? You're uninvited to my dreams. I don't wanna see you here again. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Don't wanna try again. I'm alright, I'm alright, I'm alright. Don't gotta try again. I lost my mind with you. I know I don't feel the same. I'll never feel the same. 'Cause that was yesterday. I know I don't feel the same. I numbed it all away. I numbed it all
Puro dito yung for sale, yung masodos. Masodos lang.
Baka naman pwede sa other side.
Kaya nga eh.
Bangin na pala. Sabi po. O kaya lang Atras ka pa, atras ka pa.
Atras ka pa. Hindi kita. Kaya ba natin yung kahoy?
Diyan sa side na yan, te.
Ha?
Kasi sabi yung mandan,
Ari ko, puti lang. Hindi na hinagip yung ano. Tabi-tabi po. Ganda. Super love it.
Tears fall at last. I see my past like it's still around. But am I happy now? Am I happy now? Are you happy now? Pictures might last, but my frame just cracked. Think I'm going down. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now? Now to it all. Different heights, but it's the same old fall. Angels in my head saying walk it off. Devils telling me that there's nothing wrong. Tears fall at last. I fear my past like it's still around. But am I happy now?
Hindi ganyan yung ganda sa amin. Ito mo?
Ganito yung santan. Uy! Ano? Sleepers?